Welcome to Craft It Sweetly. I'm Deanna. Thanks so much for being here. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create these Christmas ornaments. They're actually wood. You can use them as Christmas ornaments. You can use them as accent pieces in other craft projects, like adding to a wreath, adding them to a jar. Really, the possibilities are endless. And these are not painted on. I'll show you the technique on how to create these beautiful pieces. So let's get right into it. I have done several different videos where I use napkins to create different projects, like cards I've done, so check out those videos as well. But in this one, I wanted to actually try out a technique that I had seen in another video, just to see how it actually works and also share with my viewers. So for this one, I'm using this napkin, and thanks to one of my viewers on YouTube, in a previous video, I was just using a weeding tool to separate this napkin, which is 2 or 3 plies, depending on the napkin. Jan's suggestion was to use some tape, and once you put the tape on, it sticks to that layer, and it's so easy to peel off. So thanks so much for sharing that tip. If you have any other tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. I always love to learn new tips and tricks for things. So you can see it kind of ripped this one. It doesn't matter because I'm not using this layer. So it's super easy to separate. And now you can cut this into smaller sections if it's a little easier to work with, depending on, you know, the shape that you're doing. So I'll just take a 1/4 panel from here. Set that aside, and I'm going to use this wood piece. You can use any kind of wood cutouts. This is a laser cut wood, I believe, and it works great with cutouts that are with words, but I just had these shaped ones. And I'm going to add art glitter glue to this piece. Spread it on. Make sure you cover all your areas. And then I'm just going to apply this on here. Now I will trim off the excess napkin, just because in the next step you'll see the less napkin you have, the less of a fire hazard this becomes. It's a pretty cool technique. Okay, now the next step, so I have this on here, nice well pressed. Now the next step is to use a lighter, and I'm just gonna light the napkin, and magically it's just the napkin that disappears. Now I'm holding it in the direction the flame is traveling. That helps clear all of the excess, and it is just the excess around the wood. How cool is that? Just took off where there was no wood, and then you're left with the wood imprinted with the design from the napkin on there. Now you can do this outside if the smoke bothers you. I'll do one more just so you can see, and then you can do the same design on the back side of it. So let me do one more with a different design just so you can see the pattern on there. For this one, I'm using this napkin. It was a 2-ply, so I separated it, and I'm going to do the same process on here to add the glue. And then I'm just going to light this. And it's pretty cool that it burns just where the napkin is. The wood is not burned at all. So this napkin, what I like about this one is, and you can use a brush to kind of brush off any of the ash part. But what I like about this particular napkin is that it looks like the bird is almost stained glass. So now what I would do with these, once you do this one, you can do the other side. So I will do this side as well. Now the next step, what I would do with this is add resin to it, to the front and the back. So that way it'll give it a nice shine once the project is done. And then what you can do is then drill a hole here and hang it so that it's like a Christmas ornament. I do like this napkin a lot. It has nice design to it, and like I said, it makes it look like stained glass. And then you add resin. I won't go into the resin portion of the video. I have done a couple of other ones. I'll link those below. It has a nice shine to it. Now the back side I have not added resin to it yet, but I plan on adding it here as well. And then once the resin is set, again, this one I didn't add it yet. I will plan on adding it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. I used this hand drill like this, and it was really easy for me to drill a hole in through the resin and then the thin wood. And this makes a beautiful Christmas ornament just like this. And same thing you can do with this, just add a hole at the top and then you can hang it. Here's the heart, and then this is a napkin that I had with gnomes like this. So just kind of centered it where a green one would be in the middle. And I do have links below for assortments of napkins, like a collection of napkins in different patterns if you're interested, as well as some of the wood pieces. I'll be adding some of the designs in my Etsy shop, and I'll link that below in the description box. These are a few additional other pieces, like this horse that I added this design to. These I have not added resin to these yet, or the back side, but I just wanted to show you that it's really easy to get the napkin to disappear basically where the wood is not. And this looks like it's painted on, but it's really just a napkin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Would love to see your project. If you create this, feel free to post it in my Facebook group. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next project.